You can't be pressing your phone all day on Facebook morning till night and you're not even making 1 naira from it. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're a new subscriber on this channel, welcome. Thank you so much for joining the family. And to all my returning subscribers, I want to say a very big thank you to you. Thank you for coming back to watch my video. My name is Mary Joy. I'm an online entrepreneur and I'm also a content creator. In this channel, we talk about everything making money online, sharing strategies and tips and opportunities for you to leverage on in the online space to make money for yourself. This channel is for aspiring online entrepreneurs, for freelancers, and basically anyone looking to make money for themselves online. If this interests you, do well to click on the subscribe button now and turn on your post notification bell so you get notified whenever I drop a video. So as you must have seen in today's topic, we're going to be talking about 10 simple ways you can start making money for yourself even as a student. Yes, it doesn't mean if you are not a student, you can't do this. Even as a student, there are opportunities for you to leverage on that you won't even need to spend your money on, and you will start making money from it. So without further ado, let's jump right into the video of today. Number one, virtual tutoring. Yes, you can't just be reading in school just to pass your examination when you can actually convert that academic skill and knowledge into money by teaching other people in the online space what you know. Yes, there are several opportunities for you to make money through this avenue. All you need to do is to sign up to places like Prep Class or tutors.ng, where you can apply as a tutor and you'll be given the opportunity to teach people based on what you know. In this age, online learning has become a thing, and so there are people who are willing to pay you for this service. Number two, sell on e-commerce site. Yes, as a student who is looking to build a legitimate business online, you can start by selling on e-commerce sites like Jumia, Konga, or Gigi. All you need to do is to register on this platform, list your product, and start selling. If you don't have a product of your own, or maybe you don't have capital to stock product, if you don't have a product of your own, you can still actually do this. All you need to do is to look for a reliable supplier based on the product that you're selling. You have an agreement with the person, so whenever you get an order, you can actually contact the person and you get the product and supply it to the customer. That's how it works. And depending on the product that you are selling and depending on your profit margin, you can make as much as 10,000 naira daily from your e-commerce store. Three, Facebook marketing. Yes, you can't be pressing your phone all day on Facebook morning till night and you're not even making 1 naira from it. From research, it has shown that there are over 26 million Nigerians who are actively using Facebook. And as a result of that, business owners are leveraging on this opportunity in order to promote their products or their services. This is where you come in. You, as an individual who has active, like tons of active followers on Facebook, you can actually promote products and services for business owners, and they can pay you as much as 5,000 naira or even more, depending on your bargaining and the kind of audience that you have. Imagine you're able to do just one in a month. That's already 5,000 naira. What if you're able to do like for 10 business owners? You're already making 50,000 naira for yourself. So if you have been enjoying this video so far, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, turn on your post notification bell so you get notified whenever I drop other videos. And also drop in the comment section, let me know that you're actually enjoying what I'm sharing in this video. Also give this video a thumbs up. Number four, teach a foreign language. Yes, that language is not just for fun. You can actually make money from the foreign languages that you know, like Arabic, French, German, whatever. All you need to do is to register on sites like italki, Preply, where they actually have tutors who are willing to teach people and they pay them from $5 to $80. So if you know any foreign language, you can start making money with that foreign language. And also, if you want to learn a foreign language, you can go to places like Duolingo, where you can also learn foreign languages, and you have the opportunity to also offer this language for money. Number five, watching videos and performing simple tasks. Yes, You can make money online by helping people like their posts, subscribe to their channel, watch their videos, perform very easy tasks. And as a student, you can start up with sites like Naira Workers. There you can get a lot of tasks where you can do for people and they pay you money for it. So depending on the number of tasks that you do, you can make up to 1,000 naira in a day. Number six, graphic design. I personally love to talk about this. Research has shown that the average attention span of a human has actually reduced from 12 seconds to 8 seconds, meaning that it is becoming harder to get people's attention. So, you as an individual, if you know how to create stunning and captivating graphics that can get the attention of people, wow, you can actually start collecting money from people by offering the services to them. Business owners want to be seen. They want their businesses to be seen by other people. So if you can create graphics for them that will attract their audience, they are willing to pay you. I, for myself, if I don't want to design my graphics by myself, I will pay a graphic designer 5,000 naira. Yes, to design one graphics, at most two graphics for me. So imagine you are designing 10 graphics for people in a month. That's already 50,000 naira. You need to leverage on this because it is so easy. You can use software like Canva. Canva is one of the easiest tools to start up, even as a novice. I'm going to be leaving a link where you can also register for Canva in the description box below. And if you want me to do a tutorial on how to start using Canva, you can also let me know in the comment section below. Number seven, sell photos. Yes, you can actually sell photos that you take. So if you know you're somebody that knows how to position like the camera in the hottest angles, and your friends are literally always begging you, please take me pictures, please take me pictures, because they know that you are top notch, you can actually start selling that photos and make money from it. So all you need to do is to just take pictures. You can take a really nice picture, maybe the environment or something, and upload it to sites like Shutterstock, iStock Photo, Etsy, and so many more. I'm going to be leaving them on the screen. So all you need to do is to just go there, register, and upload your photo. Anybody that click on it and buy it, you actually get a percentage from that money, as much as $50, depending on what you're selling and the demand for it. Number eight, making voice over.
My voice sounds so sexy.
So if you really have a nice voice and you're not making money from it, guy, you're joking. I'm not talking about like going to sing, but just using your voice to market and to help people promote their product. You're actually wasting your time. So you can actually start making money with your voice by doing voiceover for people. Like now, as we said, attention span has been reduced to like 8 seconds. So people barely want to read. They can easily just watch a video. So as someone who really has a nice voice, you can start doing voiceover for business owners, read their video scripts for them, do an audio voice over. This is actually very lucrative as the audio businesses are now booming. People now want to read audio books instead of just reading, scanning through the book itself. It can be really tiring. Get jobs on sites like Upwork, and you can be paid from 5,000 naira to 15,000 naira per hour for the voiceover that you do, depending on how experienced you are. Number nine, I love to talk about this because I've been able to generate over six figures using this particular business model. Yes, and it's called affiliate marketing. Basically, affiliate marketing is one of the simplest ways to make money online. All you need to do is to sell other people's products and get a commission for every single sale that you make. The products you are selling are not for you, they are for others. All you need to do is to connect a seller to a buyer and you get your commission in the middle. You are not involved in delivering the product, you're not involved in any customer service. You only look for a buyer and connect it to the seller. You get your commission and you go. That's basically what affiliate marketing is. And you can make a lot of money from this business model. Number 10, we have come to the last point in this video of 10 simple ways that you can start making money for yourself online, even as a student. But before I say this last one, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, turn on your post notification bell so you get notified when I drop another video. And if you've enjoyed this video so far, do well to give this video a thumbs up and drop a comment in the comment section. My number 10 point, start a YouTube channel. Yes, like just do it. So YouTube is actually a platform where you upload videos just like this and people come to watch those videos. So you can upload videos on comedy, on movies, depending on what you like. You can upload videos, education, teaching people a particular thing. Maybe you know how to cook. You can start a channel on cooking. Maybe you like football. You can start a channel on reviewing football, different kind of things. So what you just need to do is to start recording the video. And once you're able to grow your channel up to a particular point, then you can apply for monetization and you start cashing out. Like already. So we have come to the end of this video. If you know you enjoyed this video, don't forget to drop a comment in the comment section telling me that you enjoyed the video. It would actually inspire me to do more and even better videos for you guys. Also, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, give it a thumbs up, and also subscribe to this channel. Turn on your post notification bell so you get notified when I also drop the next video. This will be all for now. I'm going to see you in the next video. Bye.